Hey y'all, Instinct Survivalist coming again, this time with a product review. This time we'll be reviewing the Primitive Fire Starter Bowdrill Kit. Right? I'll tell you the funny story first and then we'll get into what's in the kit. This arrived, I opened it up, my wife was like, wow, what's in the long package? And I opened it up and it was a Bowdrill kit. My wife goes, wait a minute, you went and ordered a Bowdrill kit? Bill, I'm disappointed. No baby, it's okay. Anyway, so the guys at Primitive Fire, the folks at Primitive Fire actually reached out to me and said, hey, listen, we've got a starter Bowdrill kit that we want to review. And specifically want you to review. I know Sean Woods actually did a review of it as well. But what's in the kit and why go with this versus going and making your own? And let me explain that. So there's always the mindset of why go to the store and use pine or cedar for a hearth board, from the lumber yard as opposed to going and getting your own. And the main reason behind that is to get down the technique, to get down the understanding of how to do something, right? Then you go and you start expanding out. So for those that want to learn, this is a perfect kit to do so, okay? I'll just go ahead and be blunt about it because it's kind of one of those that it's a surefire, for lack of a better term. So what comes in the kit? Let's talk about that first. Basically, you get your hardwood fire bow, right? It comes preloaded with your cord. You get 2 spindles, and I'm not even going to use that because I can see what's in the package. You get 2 spindles. One of the spindles actually is already burnt, and I'll explain the why in just a moment, but it's already charred up a little bit for you to use, and then you get another one to practice with as well. The hearth board has already got your V-notch in it, and it's already been tested, so no problems making sure that it works, right? That's what they do, is they make sure that it works. Then they give you a frictionless stone bearing block. Now this is pretty cool. I'm not so sure that I'm going to get rid of this. It's actually pretty cool. It's nice. It's got a nice ceramic feel to the inside, where there's maybe a glaze or something. So it's basically frictionless, right? Anyway, nice bearing block. A leather pad, basically your pan for when you're catching a coal. Leather pad, and then a bunch of jute twine. So I don't know. Let's see if it says how much. 12-foot jute nesting material. How about that? And then your instructions. So I'm a guy. Your jute twine. You may need the instructions. Don't throw them out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this set up. We're going to go ahead and run through it, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to utilize this Primitive Fire starter bow fire kit, Bowdrill fire kit. And again, the reason for it, especially for kids, right? I want to learn with a starter kit that's assuring me of fire. It gives you the confidence, gets you down the fine motor skills. So let me reposition the camera and we'll go from there. Again, the biggest benefit of this is learning form. We'll set that down. We've already locked our spindle in. I'm gonna cinch up lock in my arm. Get some coal going, some embers going. You see it's already smoking, so that's pretty good. Take a deep breath, because you got time now. Take the included jute twine. Marry the two together. Typically I would hold this higher. And we have flames. So that's it, guys. Plain and simple. Do I recommend it? Yeah, actually I do. You know, if you're trying to learn process, if you're trying to learn the motion, the how to do something, doing it with a starter kit, there's no shame in that whatsoever. I mean, just flat honest and plain and simple with you. And I'm not the only one that thinks like that. Start it up and then go and progress. Don't depend on this. Be able to expand out beyond that. This is great for kids that are wanting to learn, especially if they, you know, see something on TV and they're like, oh, look, there's that. For adults that are wanting to learn, I mean, you saw it was real simple, less than what, a minute and a half, we'll say. So it's worth watching. I'll go ahead and, or worth getting. I'll actually put the link down below to Amazon, and or the Amazon link below, whatever. I'll put the link down in the comments below for you. It's the Primitive Fire Starter Bowdrill Kit. I'm trying to make sure that, yeah. And like I said, you get fire bow, fire board, 2 spindles, frictionless palm rock, leather coal catcher. I'm just reading exactly what they call it. The 12 foot of jute nesting material and 1 color instruction sheet. Burned in and ready to go. Made in the USA. So there's that going forward as well. Anyway, guys, worth checking it out. Do so. Again, link down below. Have fun with it. That's what it boils down to. Have fun with it. Great way to get kids involved as well. So definitely something near and dear to my heart. So until then, use your instincts to survive. Thanks for watching.